Sit. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Down. No. Down. No. Down. Come. Good. Come. No. Come. Come. Sit. Down. No. Down. Come. Sit. Good. No. Sit. Down. No. Down. So as you can see, he's like super freaked out because of the thunder, because of the rain. So my goal is to just desensitize him. It's not going to happen in 1 session, 2 sessions. This is something that takes a lot of time. You got to keep doing it every opportunity you get, and there's rain, thunder. You got to take the dog out and work them. They need to get desensitized to it. They need to understand that the thunder means nothing. Nothing bad is going to happen to you because there's thunder. It's something in life we just got to deal with. It's thunder. So here we go. I'm going to continue working with them and try and see if I can get them more paying attention to me than the noises. Sit. No, sit. Heel. Sit. Down. No, down. Come. No, come. No, come. Sit. No. Sit. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. As you can see, the dog is moving around. When I tell him to sit, he's breaking the command, okay? Sit, I don't say stay, but when I say sit, the dog knows that he should stay until I give him another command. So my goal now for the dog is just to keep him in a sit or in a down and have him not move until I tell him to move, because the thunder is causing him to panic and break commands. And it doesn't matter if there's thunder or not. The dog doesn't understand. Obviously, he's very panicked, but it's my job to make him understand and to let him see that the thunder is not going to hurt you, and you still have to listen to my commands. So what I'm doing is, if the dog breaks a command, I just say no, leash pop, and then I give him the direction. So it's no, correction, then direction every time, so it's consistent. Eventually, the dog will get it with enough rain and training in the rain and enough thunder of me reinforcing that I want you to be calm. I don't want you panicking. Heel. No, heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Down. No, down. So I want the dog all the way down. One of the things he's doing is when I tell him to get down, he's not going all the way down. He's not putting his elbows to the ground. So I'm making sure that he gets his elbows down to the ground when I tell him to, because otherwise he's kind of in a prone position where he's getting ready to move. No. Correction, down, direction. So if he breaks the command, it's no, correction, which is the leash pop, direction. And I tell him what command I wanted when he breaks it. So it's no, down. Heel. Sit. So now he's listening a little bit better. He's still hyped up, but you know, he came out here at about a level 9. Right when I first walked out here, he wanted to take off. Now he's sitting and he's staying when I tell him to. So that's what I want. So instead of him being at a level 9 out of 10, right now he's more like a level 7. So that is progress. That is better, and that's what we want from the dog.